there are many different foot and leg positions that we could utilize for doing this mindful movement. Certainly, you can just stand with your feet out and your knees are straight. But for those who would like to, I'm going to suggest goddess legs. So you take your legs a little bit wider than hip distance. Your feet are turned out 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. If your knees are not bothering you, then just softly bending your knees, coming up and down a few times just to feel your thigh muscles engage, finding that sort of, I'll move a little closer, finding that sort of sweet spot where it feels like you're being active, but it's not too intense. And when you find that spot, just staying there, bringing your moon out in front of you. I'll turn a little more this way. On an inhale, nice and gently raise the moon up to the sky. On an exhale, leaning over toward the left, bring your moon. Inhale as your right arm waves across the sky. Exhale as it comes back to hold the moon. Inhale up. Exhale as you bring the moon in front of you. Let's do it again. Inhale up. Exhale now to the right. Inhale as your arm waves across the sky. Exhale as it comes back. Inhale the moon up. Exhale back to center. We'll do it once more to each side. So just try to let your breath be nice and fluid. It doesn't have to match mine. We inhale, raise the moon. Exhale, lean toward the left. Inhale, right arm waves across the sky. Exhale, it waves back. Inhale the moon up. Exhale, hold it in front. Last time. Inhale, raise the moon. Exhale, it's like the moon is moving across the sky. So inhale as your left arm waves across the sky. Exhale as it comes back. Inhale up. And then exhale the moon down in front of you. You can shake that out. Straighten your knees a little bit, maybe even bring them in, and we'll close our mindful movement with bang the drum slowly. So just gently turning from side to side. And you can just tap at your hip, or if you'd like to go a little deeper, tapping at your shoulder. And the other hand taps the lower back. It's a wonderful twist for the body, but it should also feel relaxing and loose. All right, wonderful.